Good morning, students. Welcome to our English language class. Today our topic is pronouns. All of you take your book and open page number 28. Now pronouns, I hope all of you know the name pronouns. And you also know what is a pronoun, right? Because in the previous year you have already learnt it. And maybe before that also. So the first thing we will have to learn is what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which we use in place of a noun. Okay? So in place of a noun, we can use a different word and that different word is known as pronoun. Let us take one example. Rohan is a good boy. Rohan loves to draw. Rohan loves to swim. So in this way, if in each sentence I will say Rohan, Rohan, that will not be good to listen to. So what we will do? We will use a different word in place of Rohan. So what we will say? We will say Rohan is a good boy. He loves to draw. He loves to swim, like this way. So he is the word that is used in place of the noun Rohan. So he is the pronoun. Is it clear to all? Okay. So now what we will learn? We will learn about the different types of pronouns. There are different types of pronouns. We will learn about them. The first one we are going to discuss is personal pronoun. Okay. So the pronouns that are used for different types of persons are called personal pronouns. So there are some pronouns which are used for first person. There are some pronouns which are used for second person and in the same way for third person also. So these pronouns are called personal pronouns. Let us take some examples of personal pronouns like I, we, us, you, he, she, it, they, me, him, her, them. These are the most common personal pronouns that we frequently use in different types of sentences. Okay? Is it clear to all? Okay. Now let us discuss one more thing. Now personal pronouns, where do they sit in a sentence? Where do they be placed in a sentence? So they may be placed at the beginning of a sentence. Let us take one example that you can see here. She gave me the book. Which are the pronouns here? She and me. So in the place of a subject, which is the place of a subject at the beginning of the sentence, the subject is most often placed, not always. So here she is the subject and she is the pronoun. Okay. Now the verb is gave. So in most of the sentences, pronouns are placed before verb, but sometimes they can also be placed after verb. Like in this same sentence, we can see me after the verb gave. This is also another pronoun. Okay. So there is no fixed place for pronoun. It can be placed before the verb and it can be equally placed after the verb. Okay. Have you understood? Good. Now we are going to discuss the table of personal pronouns. Okay. So as per person and as per number. Person means first person, second person, third person. And number means singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. So depending on these two, the pronouns are frequently changed. Let us start with the first person. In the first person, the singular pronouns that are used before the verb is I. Can you see? Before the verb, what is written in first person? I. And after the verb, me. That is the concept of singular case. Okay, singular number. Now let us take the case of plural number. In plural number, before the verb, we can use we. And after the verb, we can use us. Clear to all? Now let us proceed to second person. This is very easy. All of them are you. Whether it is before the verb or whether it is after the verb. Whether it is singular or whether it is plural. All of them are you. Have you got it? Good. Now we will proceed to third person. In third person, singular number, before the verb pronouns are he for the masculine gender, she for the feminine gender, and it for the neuter gender. And after the verb, they are him, her, and it. So that is about singular number. Now we will discuss plural number. What is the pronoun that is used before the verb in plural number third person? They. And after the verb, them. So this is the table of personal pronouns. All of you will learn it. Okay? Then only you will be able to use it correctly in the sentences. Okay. So that's all about personal pronouns. Now let us move to demonstrative pronouns. A different type of pronouns which is named as demonstrative pronouns. Now what is demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are used to point to specific things, just to point out or mark the specific things. And you will be happy to know there are only 4 demonstrative pronouns that we are going to discuss. Which are they? This, that, these, and those. Okay? So these are the 4 demonstrative pronouns we use in a sentence or in different sentences. But these and that are singular forms, right? And these and those are plural forms. Moreover, this and these, one is of singular and one is of plural. These two are used to point to something which is near to us. Whereas that and those, these two are used to point to something which are far away from us. Okay? Will you remember it? The singular forms are this and that. The plural forms are these and those. This and these are for nearby things. That and those are for far away things. Okay? So all of you will learn it and remember it. Let us take a picture. Now the first picture is of a mango. This is a mango. Okay? Singular and near to us. These are mangoes. Plural and near to us. That is an apple. Far away, singular. Those are apples. Far away, plural. Okay? Now is it clear to all of you? Good. Now we will discuss one more thing, which is a little bit confusing, but you will have to learn. Demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Now these 4 pronouns that we are discussing as demonstrative pronouns can also be used as adjectives. And that time what they are called? They are called demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative pronoun, when it will be considered as a demonstrative pronoun, that is a car. I am showing to a car and I am saying that that is a car. Here that is demonstrative pronoun. Now when I am saying that car is very nice, I am using that just before a noun. That car. I am specifying one car. And here that is used as an adjective. And that adjective is used with the noun car. That car is very nice. Okay? Here that is used as a demonstrative adjective. So is it clear to all? When we will use demonstrative pronoun and when we will use demonstrative adjective. Okay? Let us move to the next one. One more definition of pronoun or one more type of pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Now what is possessive pronoun, children? Possessive is a word which comes from possession. Possession means ownership. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or possession. As for example, this cycle is mine. Can you see a boy on a cycle? What he is saying? He is saying, this cycle is mine. And the word mine is used to show ownership. That means this boy is the owner of this cycle. Okay? One more table you will have to learn. It is a small one. Here also you will see the person and number. Person, first person, second person and third person, and in number singular and plural. So in first person singular number, the possessive pronoun used is mine. And in first person plural number, the possessive pronoun used is ours. In second person singular number, the possessive pronoun used is yours. And in second person plural number, the possessive pronoun used is yours. Same. In third person singular number, the possessive pronouns are his, her and its. In third person plural number, the possessive pronoun is theirs. Is it clear to all? Isn't it easy to learn pronoun? Now we will know how to use and where to use pronouns. Okay? Thank you.